Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover the top 5 natural talent hotspots in Japan. From the ancient cedar forests of Yakushima Island to the volcanic landscapes of Aso-Kuju National Park, Japan's natural heritage is as diverse as it is captivating. Each location we'll be exploring offers a unique glimpse into the intricate workings of nature and the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems. So join us as we delve into the heart of Japan's natural wonders, where ancient forests meet volcanic peaks and pristine waters teem with life. Get ready to witness the remarkable tapestry of flora and fauna that makes these locations true natural talent hotspots. Our first destination takes us to the misty embrace of Yakushima Island, a place where time seems to stand still. Here, shrouded in an ethereal mist, lie ancient cedar forests, some of the oldest on Earth. Among these silent giants, the Jomon Sugi stands as a testament to the island's enduring spirit. Estimated to be between 2,000 and 7,200 years old, this venerable cedar is a living relic of a time long past. Its massive trunk, draped in emerald moss, evokes a sense of awe and reverence. The island is also home to a remarkable array of wildlife, including the Yakushima macaque, a subspecies of the Japanese macaque found only on this island. These playful primates, with their expressive faces and thick fur, are a delight to behold as they swing through the branches. The island's unique ecosystem, shaped by its isolation and subtropical climate, has fostered a high degree of endemism. This makes Yakushima a haven for conservationists and researchers alike. The island was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993, recognizing its outstanding universal value. Walking through the moss-carpeted forests of Yakushima, one can't help but feel a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. Yakushima is a place where one can truly escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the rhythms of nature. The ancient cedars, standing tall against the passage of time, serve as sentinels, guarding the secrets of this island sanctuary. As we leave the enchanting forests of Yakushima behind, we carry with us a profound respect for the delicate balance of life that exists in this remarkable ecosystem. Our journey now takes us north to the rugged shores of the Shiretoko Peninsula, a place where the untamed spirit of Hokkaido reigns supreme. Jutting out into the Sea of Okhotsk, Shiretoko is a land of dramatic contrasts, where towering mountains plunge into icy waters, and dense forests give way to windswept grasslands. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2006, Shiretoko is renowned for its exceptional biodiversity and its importance as a critical habitat for a wide range of species. Shiretoko's undisputed king is the mighty brown bear, one of the largest land predators on Earth. These magnificent creatures roam freely through the peninsula's forests and coastal areas, their presence a testament to the region's wild nature. Observing these bears in their natural habitat is a truly humbling experience. The peninsula is also home to a thriving population of Steller's sea eagles, one of the largest eagle species in the world. With their distinctive white shoulders and massive wingspans, these majestic raptors command the skies. The waters surrounding Shiretoko are equally teeming with life. Orcas, the ocean's apex predators, patrol the icy depths, their sleek black and white bodies slicing through the waves. Shiretoko's diverse ecosystems make it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and scientists alike. However, this pristine wilderness faces growing threats from climate change and human encroachment. Protecting Shiretoko's natural heritage is crucial not only for the survival of its unique flora and fauna, but also for the well-being of our planet. As we bid farewell to the wild beauty of Shiretoko, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the importance of preserving our planet's last remaining wilderness areas. Our journey takes a dramatic turn southward, to a chain of volcanic islands over 1,000 kilometers south of Tokyo. Here, rising from the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, lie the Ogasawara Islands, a place often referred to as the Galápagos of the East. This archipelago, comprised of over 30 islands and islets, is a testament to the power of isolation and evolution. Never having been connected to a continent, the Ogasawara Islands have developed a unique ecosystem, home to a remarkable array of endemic species. Stepping ashore on these volcanic islands is like stepping back in time. Lush, subtropical forests cloak the island's slopes, while crystal-clear waters teem with colorful marine life. Among the island's most celebrated inhabitants are the Ogasawara flying foxes, giant fruit bats with wingspans that can reach over a meter. These gentle giants play a crucial role in the island's ecosystem, pollinating plants and dispersing seeds as they flit through the forest canopy. The island's unique flora and fauna have captivated scientists for centuries, providing invaluable insights into the processes of evolution and speciation. Recognizing their outstanding universal value, the Ogasawara Islands were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2011. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of the Ogasawara Islands' unique biodiversity. Visiting the Ogasawara Islands is a privilege, a chance to experience a world untouched by the passage of time. It is a reminder that even in the most remote corners of our planet, life finds a way to thrive, evolving into a dazzling array of forms. As we leave the enchanting realm of the Ogasawara Islands behind, we carry with us a renewed sense of wonder and a deep appreciation for the fragility of life. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Kyushu, to a land where fire and water have sculpted a landscape of dramatic beauty. Welcome to Aso-Kuju National Park, a realm of towering volcanoes, steaming hot springs, and emerald green caldera lakes. Dominating the park's skyline is Mount Aso, one of the world's largest active volcanoes. Its massive caldera, formed by ancient eruptions, stretches for miles, a testament to the raw power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. Even today, Mount Aso continues to rumble and smoke, a reminder of its volatile nature. The park is also home to a surprising diversity of life, from alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers to dense forests teeming with bird life. One of the park's most striking features is the Kusasenri crater, a vast grassy expanse that lies within the caldera of Mount Aso. Here, herds of horses graze peacefully against a backdrop of steaming volcanic vents. The park is also renowned for its hot springs, or onsen, which bubble up from the volcanic depths, rich in minerals and said to possess healing properties. Aso-Kuju National Park is a geologist's dream, offering a glimpse into the Earth's fiery heart. The park's volcanic features provide valuable insights into the forces that have shaped our planet. As we leave the fiery embrace of Aso-Kuju National Park behind, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the dynamic nature of our planet. Our final destination takes us to the easternmost reaches of Hokkaido, to a land where water reigns supreme. Welcome to Kushiro Shitsugen National Park, Japan's largest wetland and a haven for a remarkable array of bird life. Stretching across a vast expanse of lowlands, Kushiro Shitsugen is a mosaic of marshes, bogs, and rivers, a landscape sculpted by the ebb and flow of water. This vast wetland, fed by the Kushiro River, is a vital ecosystem, providing habitat for a diverse array of plants and animals. Kushiro Shitsugen is a birdwatcher's paradise. Over 200 species of birds have been recorded here, including the iconic red-crowned crane, Japan's national bird. These elegant creatures, with their striking black and white plumage and distinctive red crowns, are a symbol of longevity and good fortune in Japanese culture. During the winter months, Kushiro Shitsugen transforms into a magical wonderland as thousands of migratory birds, including swans, geese, and ducks, descend upon the wetlands. The air is filled with the sounds of their calls, a symphony of nature that is both exhilarating and moving. The park is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including the Izo red fox, the Siberian salamander, and the Hokkaido deer. Kushiro Shitsugen plays a vital role in regulating water cycles, filtering pollutants, and mitigating the effects of climate change. The wetlands act as a giant sponge, absorbing and storing vast amounts of rainwater, preventing floods and droughts. However, Kushiro Shitsugen faces growing threats from development, pollution, and climate change. Protecting this vital ecosystem is crucial not only for the survival of its unique flora and fauna, but also for the well-being of our planet. As we bid farewell to the tranquil beauty of Kushiro Shitsugen National Park, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the importance of wetlands. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Japan's natural wonders. From ancient forests to volcanic peaks and serene wetlands, we've witnessed the incredible diversity and beauty of this island nation. Each destination has offered a unique glimpse into the intricate workings of nature and the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. We're passionate about exploring the world's natural wonders and sharing our discoveries with you. Let us know in the comments which place you'd love to visit, and tell us about your own experiences in nature. Let's continue to inspire each other to appreciate and protect the natural world.